Hi everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, you will see how you can decorate your room or house with these 6 beautiful indoor air purifying plants. Guys, you know what? We are surrounded with pollutant air and these air purifiers just purify the air. They don't add oxygen in your room. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce some of the plants which I've brought from Ugao. It can help you make changes near you. Small steps make bigger changes. In today's time, we are facing a serious problem of low air quality. Even indoor air can sometimes become more pollutant like outdoor air. So I brought this pack of air purifying plant from Ugao. I used to order plant from Ugao as a gift when required. I will show you what all I have got in this Easy Care indoor plant set. They deliver pan India as it is a leading trusted online brand that has everything available at one stop with good package. I bought this pack for nearly 999 rupees, a perfect solution for a plant lover in form of gifting your loved ones. By using this type of decor Ugao maximum oxygen filter kit, we can naturally solve many air quality problem in our room. So what to do when you receive the plant? First, carefully remove the package, and here you can see the packaging of Ugao is perfect. To take out plant, firstly we have to remove this rubber band as it is securing your plant inside this box. Step 2, remove the tape attached to the bottom lid of the container. Now following the step 3, carefully hold your bottom lid or the pot and lift up the container, and you will see that your plant will automatically come out. Remove all the plastic wrap around your pot so that plant can breathe and also the soil can dry very fast. Now it's time to keep your plant in full sunlight. As our plant was in a dark condition, so we have to give sunlight. Now you can place your plant in indoor condition or in a bright location. We do not have to report our plant immediately as plant are in a shock condition, and reporting them will give one more shock. Let your plant adjust for 4 to 5 days so that they can adapt your environmental conditions and they can grow very fast. Keep your plant in indirect sunlight, or we can say a bright location, so that our plant can get enough amount of light. Excess water can always harm your plant roots and your plant get damaged. So always check soil moisture before watering. Try not to give overwatering during the first week so that your plant can get enough amount of oxygen from soil also. I will show what all I have got in this Easy Care indoor plant set. Number 1. Meet our golden snake plant. Known for its stunning variegated yellow leaves. It is the ultimate beginner plant. It thrives on nightlight and can survive in low light corner where other plants struggle to survive. The night owl effect. Unlike most plants release CO2 at night, the snake plant use CAM to release fresh oxygen while you sleep. Natural fresh air filter. It is a powerhouse for removing indoor toxins like formaldehyde, benzene and xylene, which are commonly released from carpet, wood glue, from paints and household cleaners. Quick care tip: only water when the soil is 100% dry. Overwatering can kill your plant easily. Best placement: perfect for bedrooms, office and desk. Meet the spider plant, one of the most popular resilient indoor plant. It is famous for its long arching green and white stripped leaves. Spider plants are fast growers that produce long stem with babies spider plants hanging from the end, making it look like a hanging mobile or greenery. According to NASA, a clean air study highlighted the spider plant is one of the best for removing indoor pollutant such as carbon monoxide. It is exceptionally good at removing CO2 from air, which are commonly present in kitchen gas stove, and xylene, which are commonly found in rubber, leather and printing industries area. If I choose, I will grow my spider plant in a hanging planter as it produces lots of babies with lots of long strings and it look much more beautiful in it. This small planter of a spider plant will improve the decor of your room. Generally, we prefer to keep our plant in hanging basket, but on high shelves it will look much more elegant as its pups can dangle freely and maximize air contact. In this small pot, it can easily survive for more than 2 to 3 months. Meet our Syngonium white butterfly plant. It is also known as arrowhead plant. It's famous for its heart-shaped leaves that look like white and green butterfly wings. Because of its broad arrowhead-shaped leaves, it has high surface area to volume ratio. This allows to absorb more pollutant and release more oxygen compared to smaller leaf plants. While many plants clean the air, the white butterfly is a proven expert to remove specific indoor toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene and xylene, which are present in paint and many other household items such as detergents, curtains and tobacco smokes. It has high transpiration rate, means it is releasing a good amount of moisture in the air. This makes it perfect for dry air conditioned room and office. The best place for Syngonium white butterfly is a spot with bright indirect sunlight, such as near a window or a gate, providing gentle morning light ideal for maintaining the white and green foliage. Rotate the pot to ensure even growth as they tend to stretch toward the light source. Meet the golden money plant, also known as golden photos. It is classic indoor favorite with heart-shaped leaves splashed with beautiful yellow variegation. It is a survival plant, the famous for being almost impossible to kill. It can grow in soil, in jar of water, even in very low light condition where other plant might fade. Just like the other plant we discussed earlier, the golden photos is a champion in scrubbing indoor air. Its effective target in benzene found in household paints and synthetic fibers. It works around the clock to absorb CO2 and release fresh oxygen in room. These decorative indoor golden photos will help you in reducing your stress, improve concentration during work or studies. These golden color photos will always improve your decor in nearby surroundings. You can always keep your golden photos nearby your money plants, or you can prefer to choose a higher shelf where the golden vines can trail down, or on a moss pole to encourage larger leaves. Meet the Philodendron Brazil, the striped air scrubber. It is a stunning variety of a heartleaf philodendron. It is famous for its vibrant lime yellow painted stripes down the center of the dark green heart-shaped leaves. Like its cousin, the Brazil is a high-performance air purifier. It is specifically cited for its ability to pull toxins out of the air. This plant acts like a natural vacuum for your home. Its leaves are covered in tiny pores called stomata that breathe in pollutant air and process it through root system, where soil microbes help break down the toxins. It is specifically effective in scrubbing common indoor chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichoethylene, often present in varnish, adhesive, and printer's ink. It is recommended that cleaning of leaves on regular basis for better air purification is very important. Just with the help of simple wet cloth, you can easily clean your leaves. This process is very important as in leafy plant pores get blocked while cleaning the toxins air in nearby surroundings. Meet the Philodendron oxycardium green, or commonly known as heartleaf philodendron. With its deep glossy green leaves and grateful tailing vine, it is a definition of timeless indoor plant. Its heart-shaped leaves are covered with tiny pores which are very good in removing toxins from your nearby surroundings. It is a specialist at scrubbing common indoor chemicals that are often lingers in your living space. It is a daytime oxygen booster. As it do photosynthesis during the day, it actively absorbs CO2 and pump out fresh and clean oxygen. It is also known as natural humidifier. Through transpiration, the oxycardium releases the moisture in the air. This adds a natural humidity boost in your room, which is excellent for your respiratory health, especially in dry or air-conditioned environment. This plant helps create a healthy environment at home. You can also place one in your office desk. It will improve the indoor environment, will give you better air circulation and also freshness in your room. They not only purify the air but also improve decor and reduce stress level. What about the care guide, fertilizer, watering or maintenance? Water only when you feel that the top layer of the soil is dry. Avoid water stagnation. Use well-drained soil mix. While you purchase any plant from Ugav, it comes ready with the proper soil mix in it. So beginners don't have to purchase things separately. Usually we go to local nursery, you have to purchase every single thing one by one and then we have to arrange it at our home, which makes so messy and generally we get so tired. We have to clean our leaves so that we can get clean and fresh air. Try to rotate your plant after every certain interval of the time so that we can get a proper amount of growth in every direction. I guess that was it for today's video. Bring home nature, breathe fresh air every day. If you want link to any of the product, check out my description. You will find it all. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.